Hello students. Let us start with fourth part of chapter 13, that is we are going to deal with fourth part of hydrocarbon. Chemical reactions of alkanes. Alkanes contain only carbon single bond carbon and carbon single bond hydrogen, that is sigma bonds. Since these bonds are quite strong, alkanes are the least reactive of all the hydrocarbons. It is because of this relative inertness that alkanes are also called paraffins. Now, some important chemical reactions of alkanes. Number 1, substitution reaction. A reaction in which a hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon is replaced by an atom or a group of atoms is called a substitution reaction. Alkanes, because of having only carbon single bond carbon and carbon single bond hydrogen sigma bonds, undergo only substitution reactions. Some important substitution reactions are: number 1, halogenation of alkanes. Halogenation of an alkane is carried out by treating it with a suitable halogen in presence of ultraviolet light or by heating the reaction mixture to 520 to 670 Kelvin. The order of reactivity of different halogens in these reactions is fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. Means fluorine is most reactive. Number 1, chlorination. During chlorination of methane, all the 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced one by one to form a mixture of products. Let us start with some reactions. When CH4 react with Cl2, and all these reactions are possible in sunlight. That's why H nu is written on the arrow. Condition is sunlight. This is CH3Cl plus HCl. Again add Cl2. One more H will be released. Again add Cl2. One more H. And by repeating the process 1, 2, 3, 4 times, at the fourth step you will get all the hydrogens removed and we get tetrachloromethane CCl4. Now bromination. Bromine reacts with alkanes in a similar manner but less readily. CH3CH3 plus bromine, it gives CH3CH2Br plus HBr, one more H released with Br. Third one is iodination. The reaction of iodine with alkanes is reversible because the hydrogen iodide formed as byproduct is a moderate reducing agent and hence reduces iodoalkanes back to alkenes. Reaction is when methane react with iodine, it gives iodomethane and hydrogen iodide. Oxidation. Number 1, complete oxidation. Number 2, incomplete oxidation. On heating, alkanes readily burn in air or oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water. Now treat methane with O2 and it is complete oxidation, that why it is written 2O2. It gives CO2 and twice water. If you treat propane with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide and water. Since the process of combustion is accompanied by liberation of large amount of heat, therefore alkanes, which are the constituents of LPG, gasoline, kerosene oil, diesel, are used as fuels. Next is incomplete combustion. If the combustion of alkanes is carried out in a limited supply of air or oxygen, then carbon monoxide CO is produced along with unburnt carbon in form of carbon black or soot. Here is the reaction. When CH4 react with O2, it gives CO and water. When CH4 react with limited supply of O2, then it is give carbon and water. Now reaction with steam. Methane reacts with steam at 1273 Kelvin in presence of nickel as catalyst, forming a mixture of carbon monoxide and H2, also called syngas. CH4 and water, they give CO and what dihydrogen. Now catalytic oxidation. Number 1. When a mixture of methane and oxygen at a pressure of 100 atmosphere is passed through a copper tube at 573 Kelvin, methanol is formed. Methane and oxygen, this give methyl alcohol, that is methanol, CH3OH. When a mixture of methane and oxygen under pressure is passed over heated molybdenum oxide, it is oxidized to methanol. CH4 react with O2, then it gives methanol, HCHO, methanol, and water. Higher alkanes on oxidation in presence of silver oxide give carboxylic acids. That is RCH3 when react with O2, it gives RCOOH and water. Oxidizing agents such as KMNO4, K2Cr2O7 have no effect on alkanes. Now isomerization. When normal alkanes are heated with anhydrous aluminium chloride and hydrogen chloride at 573 Kelvin under a pressure of about 35 atmosphere, they are converted into branched chain alkenes. Here is example of normal butane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. When it react with AlCl3 dissolved in HCl at 200 degrees Celsius and 35 atmosphere, it gives isobutane. Aromatization. Alkanes containing 6 to 8 carbon atoms when heated to about 773 Kelvin under 10 to 20 atmosphere pressure in presence of a catalyst consisting of oxides of chromium, vanadium and molybdenum supported over alumina get converted into aromatic hydrocarbons. This process, which involves cyclization, isomerization and dehydration, is called aromatization. It means there are 3 steps. Number 1, cyclization, means cyclo compounds are formed, isomers are formed and hydrogen is released. So here is you have normal hexane, means 6 carbon atom with single bond. In presence of chromic oxide and aluminium oxide at 600 degrees Celsius and 15 atmosphere, it gives benzene with release of dihydrogen. Uses of alkanes. Number 1. Methane in form of natural gas is used for running scooters, cars, buses, etc. LPG is used as fuel in homes as well as in industry. Methane is used to make carbon black, which is used in manufacture of printing inks, paints and automobile tires. Catalytic oxidation of alkanes give alcohols, aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Higher alkanes in form of gasoline, kerosene oil, diesel, lubricating oils and paraffin wax are widely used. Methane is used for the manufacture halogen containing compounds such as dichloromethylene, that is CH2Cl2, chloroform CHCl3 and tetrachloromethane CCl4, which are used as solvents both in laboratory and industry. So here this topic completes up. So thank you so much.